Hello, everyone. I'm here with you to share lesson 12 in A Course in Miracles workbook. So to begin with, I am going to read the lesson. So lesson 12 states, I am upset because I see a meaningless world. It says the importance of this idea lies in the fact that it contains a correction for a major perceptual distortion. You think that what upsets you is a frightening world, or a sad world, or a violent world, or an insane world. All these attributes are given it by you. The world is meaningless in itself. These exercises are done with open eyes. Look around you, this time quite slowly. Try to pace yourself so that the slow shifting of your glance from one thing to another involves a fairly constant time interval. Do not allow the time of the shift to become markedly longer or shorter, but try instead to keep a measured, even tempo throughout. What you see does not matter. You teach yourself this as you give whatever your glance rests on equal attention and equal time. This is a beginning step in learning to give them all equal value. So as you look about, you say to yourself, I think I see a fearful world, a dangerous world, a hostile world, a sad world, a wicked world, a crazy world. And so, using whatever descriptive terms happen to occur to you. If terms which seem positive rather than negative occur to you, include them. For example, you might think of a good world or a satisfying world. If such terms occur to you, use them along with the rest. Now, you may not yet understand why these nice adjectives belong in these exercises, but remember that a good world implies a bad one, and a satisfying world implies an unsatisfying one. All terms which cross your mind are suitable subjects for today's exercises. Their seeming quality does not matter. Be sure that you do not alter the time intervals between applying today's idea to what you think is pleasant and what you think is unpleasant. For the purposes of the exercises, there is no difference between them. At the end of the practice period, add, but I am upset because I see a meaningless world. What is meaningless is neither good nor bad. Why, then, should a meaningless world upset you? If you could accept the world as meaningless and let the truth be written upon it for you, it would make you indescribably happy. But because it is meaningless, you are impelled to write upon it what you have it be. It is this you see in it. It is this that is meaningless in truth. Beneath your words is written the word of God. The truth upsets you now, but when your words have been erased, you will see his. That is the ultimate purpose of these exercises. 3 or 4 times is enough for practicing the idea for today, nor should the practice periods exceed a minute. You may find even this too long. Terminate the exercises whenever you experience a sense of strain. By doing these lessons in the workbook, it takes courage to really practice these lessons. Again, this course and the lessons are a correction process. Keep reminding ourselves of that, correcting our perceptual distortion, as it states it in the very first sentence. It says, the importance of this idea lies in the fact that it contains a correction for a major perceptual distortion. So as we do the exercise, we continue to uncover our dualistic thinking. It said on paragraph 3, line 6, that it says you may not understand it yet. Why these nice adjectives, a good world or a satisfying world, belong in the exercises. But remember that a good world implies a bad one, and a satisfying world implies an unsatisfying one. It also states in the first line of paragraph 5, what is meaningless is neither good or bad. You know, it's our dualistic thinking, the right, wrong, good, bad, that gives meaning to it. And we put all the meaning to it. We create stories with our ego mind, a mind that's not of God. And then we dwell in them and we make them real. All this thinking, these thoughts that we dwell in, all these stories, block and cover up the written word of God. Again, as it says here in this lesson, beneath your words is written the word of God. So just continue doing these lessons. And again, it's going to be difficult to not try to understand them. They're asking you just to practice them, to go inwardly and listen for your thoughts. Be open about what it is that you're thinking, because this is ongoing and continual process of undoing the ego. So to raise our awareness and our consciousness with the goal of living in more peace and more love. Okay, that is lesson 12. And again, I will continue for the next few lessons to remind you, please subscribe to this YouTube video. Please like, and I really would appreciate if you would share. Again, I'm building the community, Course in Miracles community, and I would really appreciate anything you can do with regards to that, to get the word out to those who are looking for this path of A Course in Miracles. All righty. See you in the next video for lesson 13. 13 already. Alrighty. Have a blessed day, a miracle-filled day. Bye for now.